Start from home position. Home position is anchor foot forward, lead foot back. Take a big step forward as you shoot. Land in wall plane for easy retrieval. Focus on your body posture. Always bring your knee up to your hand, never slouch or lean down. Keep your upper back straight as the dart wraps your knee. As the dart shoots, your upper body leans back slightly to balance the shot. Little connections. Touch your inner knee with your lead hand as the dart wraps. This will give you more control over the timing of your release. Knee position and angle. Angle your knee slightly toward your lead side instead of straight in front of you. Give the shot a little juice by extending your knee as the dart releases. I hope you found these tips helpful.